Hello everyone, welcome to Computers Repair Plus. We are a local repair shop in Bradenton, Florida, repairing remarkable tools, tablet computers, custom built, any type of electronics repair except printers. So today actually I was working on interesting repair which is remarkable too, of course, and this device came in power button jam and no power issue. So I replaced the power button, it still doesn't turn on, and I found a little bit damage on the power button which is soldered, and then it gets powered, and I experienced another issue which is not charging on. So was turning on after replaced the power button, but the tablet was not taking a charge. So I have removed the back panel and inspect the entire PCB board to see, and surprisingly I found two components in this area next to the battery connector. So here, if I take a look here, so especially this area, so this we had a component here, another component here, both are capacitor, one here, another here. So I removed that too. After removed that too, by the way, how I identified that two capacitor was bad, I was pretty much testing all capacitor around the charging area and to see the short is coming from where, and surprisingly I found the two capacitor here was short, and I simply removed that too. Guess what? The tablet is turning on and taking charge even without this two capacitor. So it's very funny. This is important that sometimes some motherboard, circuit board, even some capacitor is useless, but when they went bad and they're making problem. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to solder two capacitor here, and also I have found replacement capacitor on I think this is a Dell or Lenovo motherboard, I don't know, I can't remember, but I found the same capacitor here. As we can see, those are the same capacitors. So I'm going to remove here and put it here and see how its result come out. Okay, so I'm going to solder them since I don't have anybody here to I'm the only person late working only for finishing the remarkable. So I'm going to pause the video to solder the capacitor, and then I will come back to test and see what's the result come out. Alright, so I have two capacitor here. I just removed them and I will put it here. Let's remove the screen and only keep the PCB board. And this is the remarkable logic board. It's very small, tiny. So I'm gonna solder it here. Okay, I'm gonna solder it here. Alright everyone, so I have just finished the soldering. So here is this two component, as you can see, here is this two component I just soldered. And if I take a look here, this is two capacitor I just installed. As you can see, that color is also looks different, but the function is same. So let's plug the circuit to the device to see if that's work. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna assemble the circuit board first, and then I will test live with you. I'm just going to put one screw to secure the motherboard. And then I'm gonna plug the battery connection. Just wants to make sure it's locked. Yep, I can hear the click sound. And now I'm gonna turn on, I'm just going to plug the charger to see. And here is my voltmeter. It shows volt and ampere. The tablet's supposed to turn on. Let's see. There you go. There you go. Here's the good news. As we can see, the device is turning on. There you go. It turns on, and I can see the battery icon here. So it's charging. And now test the power button we install and replace. Yep, working. Power button working. Battery taking charge. Everything is work. Now it's time to fully assemble the device. Good news. We always, every day, pretty much every day is repairing Remarkable 2. And here is another Remarkable we received from Canada as well. So this Remarkable has the USB-C port issue. Of course, if you have your Remarkable need to repair, feel free to give us a call or email or contact us at contact@Computers Repair Plus. Our address is 1829 Lakewood Range Blvd, Bradenton, Florida 34211. That is the zip code. And business name is Computers Repair Plus. Any question, you can also send text message to our number 941-567-6431. Thank you so much, and see you in next video. Thank you. Bye.